fueled up and now we are boarding again and heading to Uranium City. All right, here's Ryan with his first fish of the trip. I think it was morning 3 in a lake lodge. Hey everybody, Al here from BC Extreme Outdoorsman. Well, today you're probably wondering where I'm at. Well, I'm at the Edmonton International Airport. I'm here at the Airco Charters and we are gonna fly in. I'm here with Ryan and Connor. They're from Riverside Marine. And we're gonna fly into Anna Lake and do some fishing.
Yeah.
But the weather is not cooperating in that part of the North Country, and our flight got canceled today, so hopefully tomorrow we'll get out, or I think it's rescheduled for noonish. Yeah, and hopefully we can get in there tomorrow. Okay, everyone out here, so we are boarding the plane here in Edmonton and we're heading to Fort McMurray, and then from Fort McMurray we're heading to Uranium City. From there we're going to pick up by a float plane and take it into Ina Lake. That's E-N-A-L-A-K. Here's our pilots. Do you mind being on video?
Howdy.
Hi.
Well,
it's gonna be smooth today?
No, we'll have some bumps on the way up and then it should smooth out at altitude.
Okay. Then you go right through the thunderstorm we're heading towards?
No, we'll go around there.
Oh, okay. All right. All right, guys. Here we go. Ready, Connor?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm sucking to do this.
I heard you say it goes up and it goes up.
You're next.
I'm not yours the first time.
Okay, here we are in Fort Mac. We just fueled up and now we are boarding again and heading to Uranium City. So stay tuned for the flight. All right, everyone, so we are now making our next float plane trip.
Had a corner. I don't think those crates feel.
Okay everyone, it is like almost 10 o'clock at night here at Ina Lake. All the boats. What we're doing here is we're putting motors on the boats, some new ones, and then we'll be heading out fishing. So that's going to conclude today. Yeah, hopefully we'll be out fishing here soon. I'll take you guys along, so stay tuned. Beautiful view here, Ina Lake in northern Saskatchewan. We aren't that far from the Northwest Territories, probably 3 or 4 miles, I believe. But anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my flights today, and take care, and we'll chat with you tomorrow. Have a good night. Well, good morning, everybody. Today is day 2 at Ina Lake Lodge, and weather today is overcast, kind of windy still, really chilly. But I am going to walk around the lake today. As you can see, looks like they got an ATV trail all the way around the lake. I think I was told it takes about a half an hour to walk around. So it's 7 o'clock now, breakfast at 8. A little windy today. It's definitely chilly for sure. You can feel the bite of the cold wind. It's almost must be coming from the north or something. But yeah, so today be a little bit of the same yesterday. Won't be fishing yet, but probably have to do some flights out and back again to bring more supplies in. And then I'm hoping in a couple days we'll be fishing. Yeah. Well, I don't think this lake's this island's very big. That's where this cabin is, or lodge. It's on an island in the middle of Ina Lake in North Saskatchewan. We aren't very far from the Yukon, not Yukon, sorry, Northwest Territory border. I'm probably somewhere around here. I'm probably looking at the Northwest Territories. But instead of boring you here with my walk, if I see something good, I'll video it for you. But stay tuned, guys. Promise you, fishing coming up soon. Yeah, it's beautiful up here. All right, gonna continue on. Okay, so we've made it out fishing here on Ina Lake. I'm out with Brian and Zach. He's one of the guides here on the lake. Right now he's looking at the side scan. We're looking for fish. How's the new motor running?
Oh, it's running great.
How long have you been guiding up here?
This is my 3rd season here. I'm excited.
Lots of big fish here?
Lots of big fish.
All right, guys.
We just got to get on some, that's all.
Yeah, we haven't been out long.
Nope.
But is it usually slower this time of year?
It's more difficult this time of year. I mean, water's still cold. The ice just came off like a week ago, or a week and a half ago.
That's it?
So,
holy
yeah.
cow. Wow.
Yeah.
Must have been pretty thick.
Yeah, it was. I could imagine.
All right, guys. That was just a quick intro. We're going to get to fishing here, and hopefully we'll get a video here, bringing in a nice big lake trout. That's what we're fishing for today. So stay tuned. Well, everyone, that was a quick evening fish. We didn't catch anything. We both had bites,
yep.
Swipe buys or whatever. It's a real unique way of fishing. I've never done it that way before. Have you?
Yeah, no, I've never done it. That's the first time I used live scope.
Yeah, live scope's amazing. It's probably just exciting for the guide because he's watching it on TV and telling us what to do.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for taking us out, Zach.
Yeah, no problem.
Like I say, I'd never fished that way before. It's pretty cool with the live scope and stuff.
Yeah.
It's a game changer. It's so cool. Yeah. So a little slow tonight. Now we both got a bite, but can't catch fish every night, even when you're in a remote area like this. Fishing's a little early right now. Like you said, it's only the ice is. Believe it or not, the ice has only been off a week and a half here. But yeah, we'll give it another try tomorrow. Thanks, Zach. Got anything to say?
See you tomorrow.
YouTube channel?
Yeah. I have a YouTube channel called Zach the Fisherman. If you want to check it out, it'd be awesome.
Yeah, cool. Awesome, guys. We'll see you in the morning. One thing I want to say is look at this beautiful sunset. It is 9:30 at night. And it's just absolutely gorgeous here. Crazy. Northern Saskatchewan, Ina Lake Lodge. Check it out online, guys. Oh, good morning, everybody from the north. Another beautiful day here. Wind's still howling though, but that's to be expected up here. I think tomorrow the wind's supposed to be a little less aggressive. But yeah, it's early in the morning. It's about a little after 7, I think, which my time is a little after 6. The sun doesn't really even set right now. It goes down for like, it gets dusk for like 2 hours and then the sun pops right back up again, which is kind of cool. But today we're gonna probably we have breakfast at 8 and then we're probably gonna head out fishing again. Enjoy the view, I sure am. And doing my morning walk around the island, and I actually found a gym as well. And maybe I'll show you guys the gym, and I'm gonna hit that as well. So let's go. All right, here's Ryan with his first fish of the trip. Ready?
Yeah.
That's gonna be a beautiful picture, man.
Good.
Yep. Sweet. Nice fish, Ryan. Pretty fat, eh? And he's out of sight.
Good.
Yeah, good job. How'd that feel?
Awesome.
Cool, man. Congrats. Fist bump.
Thanks, guy.
There you go.
Thank you.
You betcha. All right, so we decided to come out and do a little fishing. As you've seen, Ryan already caught one. There goes, that one went better. Then let it drop for about 10 seconds. And start reeling and jigging a little bit. I'm not much of a spoon fisherman. I've never done it much. I haven't really fished much at all for years since I was a little kid, since I lived in the Kootenays. I'll just bring her in slowly and give her a little pull once in a while. All right, I'm gonna continue fishing here. You guys don't want to see me catch nothing, so hopefully I'll catch something and I'll show you guys.
I got me a lake trout.
Sweet!
It's funny because he followed it in, and then I reeled up and I cast it out 20 feet, and then...
Yeah, I watched you do it. That's awesome. Nice. It was pretty slow for a while, eh?
Yeah.
And you caught that on the Ina lure?
Nope.
No?
Got that on the Pink Devil.
Ah.
Pink Devil. Len Thompson.
Oh.
There goes
Oh,
my
no.
lure. Caught it on the rock. Look, he's right there.
I know, I can see him. Yeah, I see him. Oh, that's too bad. Oh, see a bubble come up. He's slowly going away. Well, good morning, everyone. Just out for a morning walk. I think this is morning 3 in a lake lodge. No wind. It's absolutely gorgeous out. So quiet. It's about 6:30 in the morning, I believe. Yeah, so I'm just out for a walk. Thought I'd give you guys a little view. Hopefully we can get a good day of fishing in. Today would be nice to be out, but that's not going to happen. So yeah, so far I haven't caught any fish. I think Ryan's caught 4, and I think Aaron's caught 2, and Connor's caught none. But just like me. But it's all good. Had a good night's sleep last night. I got over 9 hours sleep. They went out fishing. I stayed in, and yeah, I was out. Didn't even hear it come in. But hopefully we'll stay tuned for more, or for some fishing action. Hopefully.